Mitraya Namaha. Just a thought wave. Being in the field of astrology, numerology, palmistry, and Vastu, and having the opportunity of discussing with thousands of clients from almost 42 years, I find some problems where the roots are very deep. Hence, I am giving you a beautiful, sweet, small, short mantra to come out of such situations. Paraninda Vachala Dosha Nivaranartham Damodara Mantra. Fear the sin of harsh tongue and sarcasm. Do not insult or suppress others. Because of your acid tongue and loose talk, because of your sadistic blame game and falsehood, spreading rumors, insulting them, they might have lost a good career, lost a happy marriage, love and harmony. They might have been divorced, broke, or even committed suicide. Their silent tears could tear you apart, burn away your peace, could complicate your health and ruin you in the future. Their suffering is a curse upon you. Fear the sin. Do not hurt others by your mockery, sarcasm, and the foul play of vulgar words. It is a boomerang. Mind your language. Observe carefully. Think keenly. Retrospect. Realize. Repent, seek forgiveness with Damodara. The impact of the curse could be diluted and the penalty could be reduced. The Damodara mantra will help you, provided you do not repeat the same. He does not even care to truly understand how many people are crying behind him. He is loaded with ego and arrogance. They should stand before a mirror and ask themselves, what am I? Am I able to achieve anything worthwhile in life? Do I have anyone who loves me? The mirror too would laugh out loudly and mock at him for sure. Yes. People who fail to accomplish basic success in life and miserably disappointed in all walks of life play this dirty game of mockery and belittling others constantly. Unasked negative advisors and self-proclaimed critics succeed in building more enemies and negativity around themselves, who eagerly wait for a calamity to lay them down. Observe yourself. Whenever someone comes to you for any advice, asks you your opinion, or sometimes even when no one approaches you to ask your view, do you first point out the faults and change your voice tone to such a frequency that you are a living encyclopedia? Watching the television talk shows and debates, reading professional film reviews and political headlines, have you developed the disgusting habit of passing on your unasked opinions, reviews, and criticism as if you are a stalwart? Did you notice that you have lost the power of positivity and the wonderful power of blessings? Did you realize that others have concluded your tongue as an acid tongue which gained excellent powers of cursing and ridiculing? Did you notice that your own family members are frightened about your negative talking powers of just disaster and failure manifestation? Did you realize the very basic truth that you could have achieved a very wonderful career and a much more grand personal life if you could just learn to talk positive and shun the unasked critic and pseudo-intellectual attitude? Think, reflect upon it, retrospect. those professional critics and anchors, those official review writers, those argumentative tele-talk show men are paid for what they do and they are invited to do so. So do you understand that they are minding their own business? Ask yourself, am I minding my own business? You are simply wasting your precious energy by speaking out even when no one wants to hear you. When you truly analyze and realize the hidden secret, that you are not worthy at all to talk or express your bloody opinion, you should keep quiet. In such a poor state, you unknowingly develop the escape hole to let out your unwanted nonsense only before those helpless beings who either are dependent on you or who still have some sympathy upon your worthlessness. They must be noble souls who understand all about karma. To escape yourself from the influence of such bad mouths and learning to mimic them, resort to Damodara Namasmaranam. It's a very simple mantra. This mantra is for the victims of such sinful beings. This can also help them who reform only if they realize their sinful deed of loose tongue and acid tongue. Chant this mantra along with me. Om Shri Om Jhum Damodaram Antarshuddhi भावशुद्धि वाक्शुद्धि देहि मे पुरुषोत्तमा। ओम श्रीं ओम झूम दामोदरम अंतर्शुद्धि भावशुद्धि वाक् शुद्धि देहि मे पुरुषोत्तमा। ओम श्रीं ओम झूम दामोदरम अंतर्शुद्धि भावशुद्धि वाक् शुद्धि देहि मे पुरुषोत्तमा। Love, unconditional love, is the biggest remedy for all follies. Love is the only weapon through which you can rule the world. Love is God. Love is divine. Love should be unconditional, zoolographic love. Damodara Mantra for relief and realization. Much more shorter mantra is given here. Keep chanting it whenever you like, wherever you are, anytime and always. There is no mantra chanting number. There are no big rules and regulations. This is to purify your consciousness for the highest good. Om Namo Bhagavate Damodaraya. 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 ॐ नमो भगवते दामोदराय। असंदर्भदूषण, अतिसुलभनिंद, असंकल्पदोषम, अज्ञानमूलकपापम. The most easiest job in this world is criticizing and mocking. Building a glass house is difficult, but throwing stones to break it is easy. Papafalam. The entire family suffers from blockage, recognition, blame, and failure to prove their caliber. Jobs are lost and joblessness suffocates. Keep yourself away from such deadly virus and keep yourself away from such people. Digvijayi bhava. Manovancha falasiddhirastu. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Aditya Sakshi Sampurna Raksha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Hari Om Tat Sat. Mitraya Namaha. Welcome to VSP 1080 channel.